How to check order history on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can check order history on Facebook. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to check your order history on Facebook, launch your Facebook application onto your device. After launching it, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen, the home interface of Facebook. After that, you just need to head over to your profile at the top right. You can see under message, and when you head over to the profile, you just need to scroll down until you are able to see settings and privacy. And when you click on settings and privacy drop down option, you should be able to find the orders and payment option in the very middle. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you should be able to see all of the activities about your orders and payment. So under recent activity, you should be able to see all of the orders that you've done, including your payments as well. And you can see other information as well here, like credit and debit card, subscription, delivery info, other payment method. You may just look up to your order history on this page just by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.